True. So, today's kupu of the day or place name is Waitomo. That's Waitomo. Alright, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's nothing too difficult in this one. Alright, so just repeat after me. Waitomo. Waitomo. Alright, the way in that part is very similar to the word why, as in why do we do it? Because we want to pronounce our Maori place names correctly. Alright? Education is the key. Okay? Wai to mo. Waitomo, not Waitomo. Okay, Waitomo. Waitomo. Po Maori e.